This was once the coast of Bangladesh, where millions lived, fished, and raised families. There is now only silence. The sea that once lapped at these shores has not retreated. It has vanished. Not into the ground, not into pollution, into the sky, into space. This is Earth 2100, a planet that lost its water.
We've drilled over 200 sites across the old continental shelves. Not a single trace of liquid water below 300 meters. Even the permafrost is gone. The evidence is clear. Around 2045, Earth's hydrosphere began escaping into the upper atmosphere. We don't know what triggered it, a shift in the magnetic field, a solar event, or perhaps our own interference with the climate system. But once it started, it couldn't be stopped.
Water is not just a resource, it is the engine of Earth's climate. It drives weather, regulates temperature, and carries nutrients across continents. Remove it, and the entire system collapses. By 2038, rainfall had ceased in all but a few high-altitude zones. Rivers ran dry. The Amazon became a canyon of dust. The Arctic Ocean, gone. The Mediterranean, a salt desert.
When will it rain again?
Soon.
They never saw rain again. Over 4 billion people were displaced in what historians now call the Great Thirst. Cities that once thrived on trade and water access became uninhabitable. Governments collapsed, borders dissolved, humanity became nomadic, chasing myths of underground rivers and forgotten glaciers.
We saved what we could. This vial? It's from Lake Baikal, 2021. Pure fresh water. People used to swim in it, drink from it. Now it's priceless. We also preserved the sounds. Rain on rooftops, waves on shores, children laughing in fountains. Future civilizations may not believe such things existed. Gentle rain sounds, child giggling, birds singing. We called it the Blue World. We didn't know how fragile it was.
Earth once had a protective magnetic bubble that helped retain atmospheric gases, including water vapor. But around 2040, the magnetic poles destabilized faster than predicted. The upper atmosphere became porous. Water molecules, once trapped, began escaping into space at an accelerating rate. It was like leaving a cup of water in the sun, only the cup had no lid, and the sun was relentless.
Even Antarctica did not survive. Once the coldest, iciest place on Earth, it became one of the last reservoirs of frozen water. But by 2047, even the deep ice sheets had sublimated, turning directly from solid to vapor and vanishing into the void. Robots sent to the South Pole in 2049 found only a black flag half melted into rock and a plaque that read, "This ice recorded 800,000 years of Earth's breath. It ended in silence."
Site identified, former Tokyo Bay, depth 0 meters, water level 0%, human remains detected, estimated date of abandonment 2036.
The ocean floors, once hidden beneath kilometers of water, are now the largest deserts on Earth. They hold the ruins of a world that forgot how precious a single drop could be.
We're trying to survive. We recycle every molecule of water. We've engineered crops that pull moisture from the air. But it's not enough. Humans are water-based life. You can't evolve fast enough when your foundation is gone. We're not just losing ecosystems, we're losing memory. Young people don't understand what wet means. They've never felt dew on their skin.
Humanity's last hope now lies beyond Earth. Missions to the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, Europa, Enceladus, search for water ice. If found, it may become the new source of life. We are becoming a species in exile, not from war, not from asteroids, but from our own planet's lost blue heart. For 4 billion years, water shaped this planet. It birthed life, it carried civilizations, it reflected the sky. And in less than a century, we watched it leave. Perhaps one day another species will find our ruins. They may dig into the dust and find a plastic bottle, a child's toy from a beach long gone, or a single word carved into stone. Remember. We were the first to know water, and we may be the last to forget its worth.